अस्सलाम वालेकुम, जैसा कि हमने बताया हम यहाँ मौजूद हैं कराची में पीसी में और यहाँ पर तुर्की की यूनिवर्सिटीज़ यहाँ पर आई हैं और कोशिश कर रही हैं कि स्टूडेंट यहाँ से जाएं और बाहर जाके तुर्की में पढ़ें। आइए मिलते हैं इस पैनल से, उनकी यूनिवर्सिटी कौन सी और क्या रैंक है उनका वहाँ पर। अस्सलाम वालेकुम, हाय, हाउ आर यू?
Hi, thank you so much. My name is Berna. It's so amazing to be here. I hope you are doing well as well. I'm from Sabancı University in Turkey. I work there as international student recruiter. We are so happy to be here because we meet many Pakistani students. As the university involves very high quality of education, we have many Pakistani students in our university as well. So it is always great to see students from Karachi specifically. We are located in Istanbul. We follow many good quality of education, and at the same time we follow good research-based programs, and so on.
Why the student has to go to you? What is the facilities or what ranking you are having there?
Okay, we are the top ranked university in Turkey. This is the first thing. Second one is we are really having a good quality of education. Our diploma is accredited all around the world. And third one, we have our facilities in the campus, and we are a research university.
Thank you so much for giving me time.
You're welcome. Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Bye.